My dear brothers and sisters, today's gospel reminds us of a beautiful truth. You received without cause, give without cost. Everything we have, our life, our talents, our blessings, are gifts from God. We did not buy them. We received them freely. And because God has been generous to us, we are invited to be generous to others. Not only with money, but with kindness, time, patience, and understanding. Even a small act of goodness can be like a candle shining in someone's dark moment. We may not change the whole world, but we can make someone's day a little brighter. This Advent, let us open our hearts. Let us give freely, because everything we have is God's gift, and it is meant to be shared. And so may our generosity prepare us for Jesus, the greatest gift of all. Amen.